Have you seen these amazing videos with some glowing effect? That's cool, right? So let's see how these are created.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hey guys, welcome to Design Shorts, and in this video we'll learn how to create the neon glow effect in After Effects. So let's get started. First of all, upload your video in After Effects and create a new composition. Make sure the size is full HD, that is 920 to 1080 pixels, and drag your video into the composition. Now double click on the video and it will open up the layers window over here. Now select the brush tool from the toolbox and go to the paint window and select the desired color. Let it be red, and make sure the blending mode is set to normal and the duration is single frame, because we are going to paint over this video frame by frame. Alright, now go to the brushes window. If you can't see the brushes window over here, you can go to the window and select the brushes over here. Select the brushes, select the desired brush and change the diameter accordingly. Now go to the first frame and paint over the object. Let's scribble over the beard. Like this. You don't need to be perfect over this. This is just to show you that how things work. You can make it more accurately. Now go to the next frame by pressing page down on your keyboard. Now again draw over the beard. Go to the next frame, scribble over, now I want to change the color. Just go to the paint, select your color and then scribble again. Just remember, we need to go frame by frame. The next frame. Once we are done with scribbling frame by frame, now what we need to do is just go back to the composition and create a new solid. Make sure the color of the solid is set to black. Press OK, and now select the drop down menu or the drop down button of the videos. Go to Effects, go to Paint and select all the brushes that we have created. Copy them all and paste it on the black solid we have created. Okay, so once we have copied the effects on the black solid, just hide the effect on the videos on the video and now change the blending mode of the solid to screen. Now we have to create some glow effect on the lines on our drawings. Go to the effects and presets window, search for glow effect and drag it over the black solid. Now we need to play around with three values, that is the threshold, the radius and intensity. Set the threshold to 50 and the glow radius to 20. Okay, let it be 50 and the threshold be 80 and the glow intensity be 1. And now you can see we have some glowing effect on our lines. Now if you play those 5 frames, you can see the drawings change over frame to frame like this. Let me zoom in like this. And it seems to be moving with the object itself, and it has some glowing effect. So this is the way you can create the neon glow effect in After Effects. I hope you like the video. If you like this, do subscribe to my channel.